Anthony here, and today, for the first time ever, I am out of the studio and I'm on vacation, and that's why you guys could see right behind me, I have found a Lego store. More specifically in Barcelona. I'm pretty sure this is the flagship store, so let's go check it out. I'm hoping there are some pretty good Lego sets here. Check out this massive Lego model. It is huge. We have another giant minifigure, the palm tree, and the wall, which I wish were to be made out of Lego, but this is just a pattern. It's not real Lego, unfortunately, but still it makes a really cool background. This is a massive Lego brick built out of much smaller Lego pieces. Soon the Lego Barrador sets will be mine. Mark my words. We have the new Jaws set on sale. It looks like the Mosaic Maker has made its way over here as well. I remember it originally just being in New York, but it's great to see it reaching other parts of the world. And would you check out this pick-a-brick wall? This has so many more useful pieces, especially for building Captain Rex. I mean, a lot of useful Lego pieces all throughout. If I were to live in Europe and this were to have been my local Lego store, oh my, would I have stacked up on those pieces. This Lego tree is huge, like really huge. Can you imagine how many plates went into building all of this? This is absolutely crazy. Though to be fair, I'm probably not going to be far off with building my Lego life-size Captain Rex, so this is what I probably should expect. We also have the newer Disney castle here. I wonder how successful the Lego Dreams theme is. Does it compare up with Ninjago? I highly doubt it. Here's a Lego model of the Sagrada Familia. It's amazing how basic Lego pieces can create something as detailed as this. Ninjago sets, and a lot more. I wish that the newer LEGO C3PO set would have been built up as well next to this R2-D2, and we could see a much better comparison of how the two of them look together, because that would have been an epic duo, but here we have R2 all by himself. Somehow, Jedi Bob has returned. Star Wars is looking pretty stacked over here. They have got all the new LEGO set releases right over here. And then right down here, we have the legendary LEGO UCS Falcon. One day I'll get my hands on that one too. Hoping it's by the end of this year, but I guess we'll have to wait and see on that. We have an entire segment dedicated to cars with Speed Champions and some LEGO Icon sets. Especially want to get to the Ferrari F40, but I'm thinking I should wait until I go to Italy to get that one. I think that would be very fitting. Here are the new LEGO Fortnite sets on display. Pretty cool to see in person. There's also a LEGO minifigure factory here where you can design your own minifigures. I ended up picking up the Ferrari in here. I know I said I was going to get it in Italy, but we are in Europe after all, so why not just get it here and get the job done. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching, keep on building, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.